guys. So today we are at the Changi Ferry Terminal. We are going to Pulau Ubin for hiking. So it's a day off from our city life. We are going to hike.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. We're going to Pulau Ubin. Pulau Ubin on the right side.
We can buy in the here on the boat. Oh. Hi guys.
Now we are in Pulau Ubin, so we're gonna go check the map. We're gonna go check around, and we're gonna see how to get to the hike, the Puaka hill. Yeah, for the hike.
Okay.
So let's go and check.
Go.
Welcome to Pulau Ubin. So let's find where are we.
Now we are here, main village.
Main jetty. So we plan to go to here. Hiking it here.
So we're gonna
go this one.
This one.
And then we also want to check out this one also.
Kampung Durian.
We want to go to the Chik Jawa wetlands also. So first our plan is we will go hiking first.
Yes, we're gonna go to Puaka hill
first. After that we come back and we have lunch or whatever.
Yeah.
And then we go back to the Jawa wetlands.
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan. Let's go.
Wait, don't take.
I'll take
Let to define you.
We couldn't keep it. Way down there, okay.
These are what fruits, babe?
Wait,
Huh?
we're not here to shoot fruits, wait.
I'm not so interested in fruits.
Wait, this one what, a mushroom?
No lah,
That's
this
a
one
mushroom,
cannot eat.
Yeah, but mushroom, right? Can touch or not? Like
Can.
poison, wait.
What? No poison, the one. Wait, I want to eat the one. Wait.
This one.
Can eat or not?
Cannot be. This one.
Yeah.
Ah, lama. Wait, a lot there, wait.
Yeah lah. Oh, chicken. Wait, this one they sell eh?
Lime,
Lime.
ah. Later have gold.
Wait, I scared later have the
Yeah, wait. You can go like
crocodile.
that. You're gonna have some shit. Yeah, look.
Can eat or not? I take one.
Wait, don't eat there. Wait. Lisa stealing fruit from tree.
She have a lot of fruits. And then they got eat this.
Go to the Puaka hill now.
This smell, huh?
Yeah, actually quite smelly, right? Oh, nice way.
No plant. No tree. No tree. Wow.
What, do you want to fly?
Let's make it
Ah,
out.
correct way. We are on the correct way.
So we need
500 meter only. We have 800.
We're going down.
Yeah, you see the Puaka
No, I mean
here.
when we're going down. going there what?
Going there is a campsite. Oh, Chik Jawa is that side, babe. The the bridge one.
So later we have to go there.
Later, yeah, we come down. We have to go the other side. Okay, guys. So we just reached the bottom of the Puaka hill. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna actually start the hiking now, but we're already sweating.
We're gonna go up.
Yeah. So let's go.
How's the feeling, babe?
Wow, so good. So good to get away from the city. Cars and noise. So peaceful.
So nice, no? The air,
Yeah.
fresh, different smell.
Everything is green. It's good. It's a good day off.
Hey guys, I'm tired, guys.
Trekking now.
Yes.
So this is the trekking path. We have
See
a
the sound.
big climb. I hope the view up there should be definitely worth it. Okay, now we're gonna hike a little bit more to get the nice view, the bird's eye view of the spot.
Let's go. See. How's the road?
It's worth it with the view, should be worth it. Faster, babe. Go coming.
But cannot.
Look at the view, guys. We made it. We made it to the top. This is the view. Oh, it's worth it.
You can take picture also from here.
Yeah. So now we're gonna rest for a while here, take picture, just cool ourselves down because it's so hot. We are going down. Going down back to the village, and then we're gonna go check the Chik Jawa West Island. So it's half day. So it's a good hike, right?